Assalamualaikum and good morning to all my students of class 9. My name is Miss Noreen and I will teach you chemistry online. Welcome to Metropolitan Foundation School. As you know students, your chemistry paper consists of 3 sections. Section A consists of MCQs. So today I will discuss MCQs of chapter number 4, that is periodicity of element. Okay, now I will discuss MCQs of chapter number 4. Number 1, the modern periodic table contain 7 horizontal rows called. These 7 horizontal rows what are called? Number 1, period. Number 2, group. Number 3, classification. The correct answer is these horizontal rows are called periods. Students, look at this picture. In this picture you see modern periodic table. In this modern periodic table, elements are arranged horizontal manner. These horizontal rows are called periods. Okay. Now we discuss second MCQs, that is modern periodic table is based. Modern periodic table contain vertical columns. First, option A 16, option B 17, option C 18 and option D 19. These MCQs total number of vertical columns in the modern periodic table is. कितने vertical columns होते हैं modern periodic table के अंदर? 4 ऑप्शन है. ऑप्शन A 16, ऑप्शन B 17, ऑप्शन C 18 and ऑप्शन D 19. So the correct answer in the modern periodic table vertical columns are 16. Okay, look at this picture. In this picture you see vertical columns. Elements are arranged in vertical manner, in y axis, in vertical manner. These vertical columns are called groups. And how many groups are present in the modern periodic table? 16. Remember students, how many groups are present in modern periodic table? 16 groups are included in modern periodic table. Now discuss another MCQs, that is the modern periodic table is based on. Modern periodic table is based on option A mass number, option B atomic number, option C group number. modern periodic table किसके ऊपर बेस करता है? So the correct option, modern periodic table is based on atomic number. What do you mean by atomic number? Atomic number means sum of number of protons and electrons present in the atom is called their atomic number. किसी भी एटम के अंदर जितने नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो उसका एटॉमिक नंबर कहलाता है. सो मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल इज बेस्ड ऑन एटॉमिक नंबर. नेक्स्ट, मेंडलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल. रिमेंबर, मेंडलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल वॉज बेस्ड ऑन ऑप्शन ए मास नंबर, option B atomic number, option C periodic number. Remember students, modern periodic table is based on atomic number, but Mendeleev periodic table is based on mass number. What do you mean by mass number? Mass number means sum of number of protons and neutrons inside the nucleus of atom is called its mass number. न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जितने नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स होते हैं उस एटम का मास नंबर कहलाता है. ओके, नाउ मूव नेक्स्ट MCQs. दिस पीरियड इज इनकम्प्लीट. Option A 4th, option B 5th, option C 6th, option D 7th. Which period in the periodic table is called incomplete period? 7th period in the periodic table is called incomplete period. Why they are called incomplete period? Because number of new elements discovered until and include in 7th period. Okay, now discuss next. All the transition elements are option A metals, option B non-metals, option C gases, and option D liquids. So the correct answer in the periodic table, all the transition elements are metals. Next, the most reactive metal is option A beryllium, option B sodium, option C helium, and option D neon. The most reactive element, the most reactive metal is sodium. So the correct option B is sodium. The sixth period in the periodic table is called option A long period, option B longest period, and option D shortest period. So students, sixth period is also called longest period. So the correct option is option B longest period. Next, noble gases are chemically inert because valence shell contain. It means why noble gases are chemically inert? Because their valence shell contain option A 6 electron, option B 8 electron, and option C 10 electrons. कह रहे हैं कि नोबल गैसेस के वैलेंस शेल में कितने नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं. नोबल गैसेस ग्रुप 8A of periodic table is called noble gases. Therefore, their valence shell contain 8 electrons. Okay students, group 8 in the periodic table is called noble gases. Therefore, their valence shell of noble gases contain 8 electrons because noble gases belong to group 8. Okay, next move MCQs 11. The number of elements present in the periodic table is option A 2, option B 3, option C 4. How many number of electrons are present in the first period? The correct option, the first period contain 2 elements, and is the example of these 2 elements is hydrogen and helium. Okay students, जो ग्रुप फर्स्ट पीरियड है पीरियोडिक टेबल का, उसके अंदर सिर्फ ओनली 2 एलिमेंट्स इंक्लूड है. So the correct option is option A 2. The elements that contain both metallic and non-metallic characteristics are called option A metals, option B non-metals, option C metalloids. That elements which contain both characteristics metal and non-metals, these elements are called metalloids. Next, ionization energy is measured in, what is the unit of ionization energy? Option A kilojoule per mole, option B kilojoule per gram, option C kilojoule per gram, kilojoule per kilogram, option D kilojoule per atom. So the correct option, ionization energy is always measured in option A is correct, kilojoule per mole. Students, remember it, ionization energy is measured in kilojoule per mole. Next, fluorine has electronegative value of option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, and option D 5. What is the electronegative value of fluorine? The electronegative value of fluorine is 4. Okay, fluorine has 4 electronegative value. So the correct option is option C 4. Next, in group 3rd A, metalloid is ऑप्शन ए एल्युमिनियम, ऑप्शन बी गैलियम, ऑप्शन सी बोरॉन एंड ऑप्शन डी इंडियम. Group third A, boron is a metalloid. Boron belong to the group third A and it is a metalloid. Next, noble gases has 8 electron in their valence shell except option A neon, option B argon, option C helium, option D xenon. All the noble gases have 8 electrons in their valence shell. Only one noble gases which has only one electron in their valence shell, and it is helium. Helium, the atomic number of helium is 2 and their valence shell contain only one electron. Okay. Next, the elements of the metals of group first A are called option A alkaline metal, option B alkali, option C soft metal and option D hard metals. Group first A metals, what they are called? They are called alkaline metals because they form water soluble base. For example, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Okay, got it. Next, the elements of 7A group are known as option A halogens, option B lanthanides, option C actinides. Elements of 7A group are known as halogens. In the periodic table, group 7A, elements of group 7A are called halogens, and its example chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. These are all called halogens. Okay, next, the incomplete period in the periodic table. Option A 7, option B 8, option C 12 and option D 10. Which is the incomplete period in the periodic table? 7 period in the periodic table is called incomplete period. Okay, now we move next. The only liquid metal is A gold, B mercury, C bromine. Assalamualaikum and good morning to all my students of class 9. My name is Miss Noreen and today I will discuss model test paper of chemistry. Students, बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन कराची की तरफ से मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर जो है वो मार्केट में अवेलेबल है. ये जो मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर है ये आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी, डिस्कस करूँगी, ताकि आप लोगों को पेपर को सॉल्व करने में आसानी हो और आप अपनी तैयारी जो है, अपनी प्रिपरेशन अपने पेपर की सही तरीके से कर सकें. जो पेपर की टेस्ट जो मार्क्स स्कीम है वो टोटली थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है एज प्रीवियस. दिस मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 sections. First of all, we read general instruction. This model test paper consists of 3 sections. Section A consists of MCQs and it consists of 12 multiple choice questions. Section B consists of 15 short answer questions, of which 10 questions are to be answered. सेक्शन बी के अंदर 15 शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस हो गए जिसमें से आपने 10 के जो है वो आंसर्स देने हैं. एंड सेक्शन सी कंसिस्ट ऑफ 5 डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर्स क्वेश्चंस, ऑफ विच ओनली 3 क्वेश्चंस आर टू बी आंसर. सेक्शन सी जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्टिव डिटेल क्वेश्चन आंसर का सेक्शन है और इसके अंदर टोटल 5 क्वेश्चंस हो गए जिसमें से आपने 3 अटैम्प्ट करने हैं. First of all, we discuss here section A. This section is consist of MCQs, and 15 MCQs include in this section. Now we solve these MCQs one by one, and we discuss here and solve these MCQs. Choose the correct answer. The first MCQs, the best disinfectant is. First of all, we discuss here what is disinfectant. Disinfectants क्या होते हैं और ये किसको कहते हैं? ऐसे chemicals, such a chemicals which kill bacteria and viruses are called disinfectants. जो इन्फेक्शन कॉज करने से रोकते हैं जो ऑर्गेनिज्म, उनको किल करने के लिए जो केमिकल यूज़ किए जाते हैं वो डिसइंफेक्टेंट कहलाते हैं. द बेस्ट डिसइंफेक्टेंट इज़, 4 ऑप्शन इज़ गिवन. ऑप्शन ए क्लोरीन, ऑप्शन बी आयोडीन, ऑप्शन सी सल्फर एंड ऑप्शन डी सोडियम. व्हाट इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस? ऑप्शन ए chlorine. As you know students, chlorine is a chemical and this chemical is used in swimming pools to kill bacteria and viruses. क्योंकि स्विमिंग पूल्स का जो पानी होता है वो ठहरा हुआ होता है, स्टैंडिंग वाटर कहलाता है, और इसके अंदर जो है वो बैक्टीरिया और वायरसेस तेज़ी से ग्रो करते हैं. तो उसको क्लीन करने के लिए जो केमिकल यूज़ किया जाता है डेट इज़ क्लोरीन. नाउ वी मूव सेकेंड MCQs. 44 A.M.U. What are M.A.M.U? A.M.U stand for atomic mass unit of carbon dioxide is equal to. कह रहे कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का 44 एटॉमिक मास यूनिट होता है. ये बताना है आपने ये किसके इक्वल होता है. ऑप्शन ए मोलर मास, ऑप्शन बी एटॉमिक मास, ऑप्शन सी मॉलिक्यूलर मास एंड ऑप्शन डी मास नंबर. नाउ स्टूडेंट, टू सॉल्व दिस MCQs, फर्स्ट we solve MCQs. Look at this. CO2. CO2 is the molecular formula of carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is consist of 2 elements. Number 1 carbon and number 2 oxygen. The mass number, the atomic mass of carbon is 12 and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. First of all, we find out molecular mass. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का मॉलिक्यूलर मास फाइंड आउट करना है. हमने कैसे करेंगे? द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कार्बन. व्हाट इज द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कार्बन? 12. तो इन प्लेस ऑफ कार्बन वी राइट देयर एटॉमिक मास 12 एंड नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ कार्बन वेयर 1. ओनली 1 कार्बन एटम, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. देन वी राइट साइन ऑफ प्लस. After plus, we write second atomic mass of element, second element of oxygen, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So after plus sign, we write atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16, and this 16 is multiplied by 2. Then we solve this. 12 multiplied by 1 is equal 12. 12 ones are 12 plus 16 multiplied by 2 is equal 32. 12 plus 32 is equal 44. 44 is a molecular mass of carbon dioxide. So the correct answer of कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का जो 44 AMU है वो किसके इज इक्वल होता है? मॉलिक्यूलर मास के. ओके, 44 atomic mass unit of carbon dioxide is equal to molecular mass. Now we move third. The lightest particle among the following is option A electron, option B proton, option C neutron, and option D alpha. Which of the particle is the lightest particle? Name of this particle. As you know students, there are three fundamental particles of atom: electron, proton and neutron. Among these particles, the lightest particle is electron. सबसे lightest particle जो है वो electron कहलाता है. Now move MCQs number 4. Which pair of element is chemically similar? आपने बताना है कि कौन सा पेयर है जो केमिकली तौर पे सिमिलर होता है. ऑप्शन ए पोटेशियम एंड क्रोमियम, के स्टैंड फॉर पोटेशियम एंड सी आर स्टैंड फॉर क्रोमियम. ऑप्शन बी कॉपर एंड कैल्शियम, सी यू स्टैंड फॉर कॉपर एंड सी ए स्टैंड फॉर कैल्शियम. ऑप्शन सी एफ एंड सी एल, एफ स्टैंड फॉर फ्लोरीन एंड सी एल स्टैंड फॉर क्लोरीन. ऑप्शन डी नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन, N stand for nitrogen and O stand for oxygen. So the correct option is option C, fluorine and chlorine. Why we are called fluorine and chlorine is chemically similar? Because fluorine and chlorine belong to group halogens, and this all halogens group 7 in the periodic table is called halogen. This is called halogen family and their chemical characteristics is similar. Fluorine and chlorine are chemically similar elements. Now we discuss MCQs number 5. It is non-polar molecule. First of all, we discuss what is non-polar molecule. Some molecules which have opposite charge, जिनकी चार्ज अपोजिट हो वो पोलर मॉलिक्यूल कहलाते हैं, और जिनके सेम चार्ज हो वो नॉन पोलर कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑप्शन ए HCl, ऑप्शन बी NH3, ऑप्शन सी H2 एंड ऑप्शन डी H2O. So the correct option non-polar molecule is H2. Why we are called H2 is a non-polar molecule? Because it is the reason is H2. Look at this. H2. H2 consists of H and 2. These two indicate there are two atoms of hydrogen. One hydrogen is here and another hydrogen is this. Hydrogen is positive charge particle. Okay, hydrogen is positive charge particle. Hydrogen is positive charge particle. Both the elements have same charge, positive charge. Because charge is similar on both the element, therefore they are called non-polar molecules. It is example of non-polar molecule. Opposite charge नहीं है, similar charge है. जहाँ पे similar charge हो गए, it is called non-polar molecule. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now we discuss MCQs number 6. The process in which solid directly change to gas. Option A evaporation, option B melting, option C sublimation, option D boiling point. कह रहे वो प्रोसेस जिसमें हम डायरेक्टली सॉलिड जो है वो अपने स्टेट को चेंज करके कन्वर्ट हो जाए किसमें, गैस के अंदर. इस प्रोसेस का नाम क्या है, ये प्रोसेस क्या कहलाता है? What they are called? Option A evaporation, option B melting, option C sublimation and option D boiling point. So this process is called sublimation. Sublimation is the process in which solid change their state directly into gas. This process is called sublimation. Now we discuss another MCQs. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3, 6H2O, Na2CO3, 10H2O, NaHCO3 and NaOH. करेक्ट फार्मूला क्या है वॉशिंग सोडा का? ठीक है, द करेक्ट फार्मूला वॉशिंग सोडा इज Na2CO3.10H2O. ठीक है, सोडियम कार्बोनेट इज कॉल्ड वॉशिंग सोडा. व्हाट इज वॉशिंग सोडा? सोडियम कार्बोनेट. Sodium carbonate is also called washing soda and their formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. How many water molecules attached to sodium carbonate? 10 water molecules. Okay. So this is a correct answer. Option B, Na2CO3.10H2O. Next, option 8. An acid that produce large number of hydrogen ions in aqueous solution is called. That acid that produce large number of hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. First of all, we discuss here what is aqueous solution. The solution which consists of water is called aqueous solution. Okay, an acid that produce large number of hydrogen ion in aqueous solution is called option A strong acid, option B strong base, option C weak base and option D weak acid, option C weak acid and option D weak base. So the correct answer is strong acid. That acid produce large number of hydrogen ions in aqueous solution is called strong acid. So correct answer is option A strong acid. Okay, we discuss next MCQs number 9. 281 is the electronic configuration of option A magnesium, option B sodium, option C calcium and option D potassium. What is the correct answer? Now, if we give the correct answer, first of all we solve electronic configuration. Look at this, students. We write electronic configuration. क्या दी हुई थी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन? 281. अब हम क्या करेंगे? ऑल दिस नंबर, ऑल दिस 3 नंबर वी प्लस. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. We plus all this number 2, 8 plus 1. When we plus all this number, I give answer 11. 11, what is the atomic mass? किसका atomic mass है 11? The atomic mass is sodium is 11. 281. The sum of these 3 numbers is 11 and 11 is the atomic mass of sodium. Okay, look at this picture. It is a atom of sodium. Look at this. It consists of 3 shells. First, it is nucleus, around which nucleus first shell is visible, that is first shell. It is also known as K shell. After K shell, second shell is visible, that is second shell, and it consists of 8 electrons. First shell consists of 2 electrons, second shell consists of 8 electrons. And after around the second shell, third shell is present, and this third shell is consist of 1 electron. So how many electrons are found in sodium atom? 2 in first shell, 8 in second shell, 1 in third shell. 2 plus 8 plus 1, total number of electrons are found in sodium atom, that is 11. Okay, so 281 is electronic configuration of sodium. So the correct answer of sodium. Now we discuss MCQs number 10. The only liquid metal is option 1, option A molybdenum, option B gold, option C mercury, option D bromine. Okay, option A molybdenum, option B gold, option C mercury, and option D bromine. The liquid metal is called bromine. Bromine is a liquid metal. It belongs to the halogen family. It is a brown liquid metal. Okay. So what is the only liquid metal? The correct option is bromine. Bromine is a liquid metal. Now we discuss another MCQs, that is C614 has the neutrons. कह रहे कि जनाब C stand for carbon. C is the stand for carbon. C stand for carbon. 6 atomic number and 14 atomic mass. On the lower side of carbon 6 is written, that is atomic number. On the upper side 14 is written, that is atomic mass. ठीक है. We find number of neutron. हमने यहाँ पे number of neutrons find out करना है कि कार्बन के एटॉमिक मास और एटॉमिक नंबर दोनों चीज़ें मालूम है हमें. हमने ये बताना है कि इसके अंदर टोटल नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स कितने होंगे इसके पास. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 6, सेकंड ऑप्शन 8, थर्ड 10 एंड फोर्थ 12. We solve this MCQs. Look at this. C14. C stand for carbon. 6 atomic number of carbon. 14 atomic mass of carbon. We do not find number of neutrons. We also find number of neutrons by the help of formula. First of all, we write atomic number of carbon, that is 6. कार्बन का एटॉमिक नंबर क्या है? 6 है. तो हमने लिख दिया एटॉमिक नंबर इज इक्वल 6 और एटॉमिक नंबर इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल Z. 14 इज द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कार्बन. एटॉमिक मास इज इक्वल 14 एंड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल A. नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स, व्हाट वी फाइंड नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स. नंबर ऑफ़ न्यूट्रॉन्स यहाँ पे हमने कैलकुलेट करके बताने हैं फार्मूले के जरिए. नंबर ऑफ़ न्यूट्रॉन्स का फार्मूला होता है बेटा A माइनस Z. A स्टैंड फॉर एटॉमिक मास. व्हाट एटॉमिक मास? एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कार्बन. माइनस Z स्टैंड फॉर एटॉमिक नंबर. वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ एटॉमिक नंबर, सॉरी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट A atomic mass. So in place of atomic mass we write their value of 14. Okay, then we write sign minus 6. Then atomic number of carbon is 6. So we write in place of atomic number their value is 6. 14 minus 6 is equal 8. So 8 is the correct answer of. कार्बन के पास कितने नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स होते हैं? 8. Number of neutrons we find out 8. Okay, look at this. So the correct answer of number of neutrons is option B, 8. Carbon has 8 number of neutrons. Now we discuss next last MCQs number 12. Along the period from left to right, which one of the following tendency decrease? Option A atomic radius, option B ionization energy, option C electron affinity, option D electron negativity. कह रहे जब हम मूव करते हैं पीरियड्स के अंदर लेफ़्ट टू राइट तो कौन सी वैल्यू जो है वो डिक्रीज़ होती है. ठीक है, एटॉमिक रेडियस, आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी या इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिविटी. सो द वैल्यू that is decreased from left to right in the periodic along the period is called ionization energy. Ionization energy is decreased from left to right in the period. Okay, I hope students you understand these MCQs. I give you some assessment papers. I hope you learn these MCQs at your home and giving your test. Okay students, thank you.